Hello friends, today we will see about air suspension system. So this air suspension system is generally used in high class coaches, that is Volvo and Mercedes. So how this suspension system works? First of all we will see its construction and then its working. So this air suspension system or pneumatic suspension system consists of air compressor, air tank or what we call it as air reservoir, then pressure regulator, solenoid, tip heating, leveling walls, and airbags at each wheel. Sometimes it may called as air spring. So this air compressor, as you can see here, this air compressor, it works on the uh, engine. We used to drive it with the help of belt, and what it consumes the power generated by engine. So whatever the air available in the surrounding or environment, it compressed at high pressure, compressed at high pressure, and it sent to the air tank, and it is stored in the air tank at the pressure of 20 kg per centimeter square. This is the air reservoir or air tank. Once this air is filled in this air tank, so this air is now forwarded to this pressure regulator, where it is taken down to the lower pressure of 12 kg per centimeter square. Here you can see this is pressure regulator, and this air is transferred from this air tank to the pressure regulator, and from this pressure regulator, as you can see, the one connection is going towards back side, this is rear side, and this is front side of vehicle. So one connection is going to the rear side and two connection separately going to the front side, that is to the front wheel. This is number 1. Here here you can see airbag, and this is number 2. Here this is airbag, and it is going to this leveling wall. So first of all we will see the rear side connection. So this air is going to the leveling wall, and through leveling wall it is supplied to the both the rear wheels. So through this leveling wall, here it is tip heating for connection purpose, and through this tip heating the air is supplied to the both this leveling wall. The same connection is provided on front side also, but here you have separate leveling wall for both the wheels. So now how it works: when vehicle is running at normal speed and you can feel some jerk or some shocks because uneven road condition, at that time, when this airbag gets compressed up to a certain limit, this this air suspension system works with the low pressurized air of 12 kg per centimeter square. But when this um, airbag compress beyond its predefined limit, means you required high pressurized air at that particular time to sustain or to provide comfort to the passengers. So at that time, this low pressurized air will stop working, and the direct high pressurized air of 20 kg per centimeter square will be supplied to the solenoid. Here you can see this is solenoid. So high pressurized air through this tip heating, it will be supplied to this solenoid, and through this solenoid, now you can see here the one connection is again given to this front airbag, another connection is given to this tip fitting. Here you can see it is tip fitting. Through this tip fitting, it is given to the leveling wall of another uh, airbag of front wheel, and one connection is going towards, here you can see it's going towards the leveling wall of rear wheel, and through this leveling wall it is given to the again tip fitting, and through tip fitting it is given to the both the rear wheels. So when the jerk feels beyond its predefined limit, this high pressurized air is supplied, and the suspension works accordingly to provide comfort to the driver and passenger. So this is how air suspension system works. Thank you.